That's awesome.
I love it.
Is it a return to winter now or going back to above average temperatures, Kevin?
It's a little bit of both, actually, Alan. That's a good question because people are asking me, what about another surge of Arctic air? I don't foresee that for a while. No sub-zero temps, at least for the next 7 days. Not to say we won't have that later on. We might get hit with some more really cold air, but not to the extent we had back in mid-January. I don't think so. We're kind of beyond that point, fortunately, but still a chance for more much colder days ahead, but not so much for the next 7 days, despite the fact we're cooling down now. And we've got the wind here tonight between 20 and 30 miles per hour. Tomorrow more like 15 to 25. So we'll call it a chilly day with highs in the upper 20s, around 30 degrees. And again, can't rule out a couple of snow showers, all because of this area of low pressure moving through Minnesota right now. And severe weather, not far from Milwaukee, with actually tornado warnings there in Wisconsin. Meanwhile, for our area on the backside of that system, again, pulling in some much colder air, not necessarily Arctic origin air though, more like upper 20s here for our temperatures right now, and scattered snow showers. This continues all night tonight and through at least the first half of our Friday. But notice, not everywhere. We're not going to have snow everywhere and throughout the entire first warm viewing area, but just patchy or periods of snow showers to be expected. Another band moving through Bismarck-Mandan right now, and again around Minot, but farther toward the west, more in the way of some lighter flurries at this time around Williston, back through eastern Montana. Glasgow expecting more periods of snow all the way toward Dickinson and Bowman. So additional snowfall accumulations here, negligible, not much. Mostly in this gray shade here. Well, that's indicative of anywhere from a trace to maybe upwards of an inch. That might be a bit of a stretch though. But where we do get into some of the blue shade, at least the potential is there for about an inch, but that might be on the upper bounds, really depending on any of those snow showers that might be just a little bit heavier. Just like last night, we had that burst of snow that delivered over 5 inches of snow south and east of Dickinson. I don't see anything like that happening tonight because the atmosphere is stabilizing rather rapidly. But again, enough instability to keep the snow showers going with our temps mostly in the mid to upper 20s right now. And it's that wind overall northwest between 20 and 30 miles per hour, still gusting to near 40 at times, especially towards southwest North Dakota and South Dakota. So expect the winds to keep up here, but enough for a little bit of blowing snow, but not a lot. That really isn't the big problem here for tonight. In fact, this entire storm has not been very strong at all, but enough of an inconvenience to allow extra time to get to your destination. And again, the gusty snow showers will continue here for our Friday morning. Not a lot more accumulation, as I mentioned, but look for the wind overall between 20 and 30. That does keep wind chills, or how cold it really feels, more like in the teens for most of our day. And again, a lot of cloud cover. We're not really going to see a lot of sun for a while. This is what, day 9, 10, 11, something like that, with practically no sun. Some places have, but most places have been socked into the clouds. A little bit better outlook here by Sunday, with temps a little closer to 40 degrees. So that'll be kind of nice here. That's the key of getting southwest winds, not that northwest wind, as the atmosphere dries out just a little bit. Above normal temps, and yes, most of our days beyond the weekend just above freezing.
Yeah, that sounds good to me.
Looking pretty good.
Thanks.
All right.